In this tutorial, we will see how to add products to e-commerce website. Okay. For that, we need one plugin that is called Woocommerce. So first we need to install it. So go to plugins. I already installed it. Now click on add new. If you click on add new, it will navigate you to plugins page. Make sure you should turn on your internet connection. Okay, refresh it. Refresh this page again. Now click on popular. In popular plugins, here you can observe that Woocommerce. It is a useful plugin to maintain our e-commerce website. So install it. So I already installed it. So I have an update. I can update now and install it. Then activate. So if we activate it, you can observe in plugins. So now click on install plugins. Here you can observe that WooCommerce plugin is activated. You can deactivate it from here. So if you don't have deactivate, you can observe activate. Just click on activate. After activating, you can observe WooCommerce plugin left side. Here you can observe that. Okay. Now we need to add our products to our site. So before going to add products, we need to clear where the products will be visible. So for that we need to create a page. All the products will appear there. So go to pages, click on add new. So here you can observe that page, click on add new. Now add the title, King Store products. Okay, King Store products. You can also edit with Elementor. Now click on edit with Elementor. Here you can observe King Store products. This is the page name. Now click on publish. So your page is live. Okay, now click on have a look. It will take you to new page. Here you can observe that King Store products. Okay, now we will add products to this page. So go to WordPress dashboard. Now select WooCommerce. Now click on settings. In settings, here you can observe some options like general, products, shipping, payments and all. So now click on products. Okay, it will take you to this page. So shop page where the products will be visible. Okay, select the page, King Store products. All the products will be saved here. Now click on save changes. Now we need to add products. So click on products, add new. Now we add product name. Now I am giving a product name. Night shoe. Okay, night shoes. Here the product description. Nike shoes. Okay, and this is the price. Okay, here we need to give a regular price. The regular price means the original price of the product. So 2000 to sale price, that means for how much you are going to be sell the product. So I'm thinking to sell to 1700. So this is a 2000 and this is a 1700. Okay, you can also add a product category. So if you want to create new category, just click on add new category. I am giving as a fashions. Okay, here you can give product tags. So I'm giving as Nike shoe. This is the product tag. Then click on add. You can also add a new tag, blue Nike shoes. Add like that. You can also add tags. We can also add a product image. So click on set product image. If you want to upload, click on upload files, then select file. So my file is in pictures, then Kingston products. Select this. Okay, the alternate. Okay, here you can observe the product and give the alternate name. If the internet connection is bad, then the name will be visible. So I'm giving blue Nike shoe. Blue Nike shoe. Okay, now click on set product image. If you want to edit the image, just click on this image. It will take you to images. From here you can select any image. Okay, click on set product image. You can also add some product gallery and the different views of product. So click on upload files, then select the file. Okay. I am giving as a blue Nike shoe. Okay, then click on add to gallery. You can also add some more pictures here. Okay, move up. Here you can observe that publish. Now you can publish your product, or you can see the preview how the product will be look like. Click on preview. Here you can see the how the product is going to be look like. Okay, this is the product view, and you can also see this image. Here you can observe that the zoom option is available here. Here you can observe that blue Nike shoe, and the original price of the product is 2000. Now you can add to cart, then you can buy it. Okay, now you can publish your product. Click on publish. Now go to all pages. All pages. Here you can observe that Kingston products. In Kingston products, we have products here. Okay, if you want to see this product, just click on this image. Here you can see how the product is going to be. Here you can observe that we have dollar symbol, but we thought that we need to sell the product in Indian rupees. So to change the currency, go to WordPress dashboard and open WooCommerce settings. And in general, if you scroll down, here you can observe that currency. So select it, search for India. Here you can observe that Indian rupee, select it. Now click on save changes. Now if we refresh this King Store products page, and open this, here you can observe that Indian rupee symbol. You can also add number of products here, like 2, 3, like that. If you click on add to cart, the products will add to cart. Now you can observe that the products are added to cart. If you click on add to cart, so if you click on proceed to checkout, the product are going to be purchased. Now we will add one more product to our website. So click on products, then click on add new. Now give the product name. So I will give as a green chili. Then description about the image. Okay, description. Okay, now description about the product. Get healthy vegetables from farmers for best price. Okay, and the product price is 30 rupees. I'm going to sell for 25 rupees. Okay, now the paragraph about that. So this green chili is a new category, so click on add new category, then add glossaries, then click on add new category. Here you can observe that glossary here. You can also add for uncategorized. If you scroll down, here you can observe product tags. Give tags for that product, green chili. Okay, then click on add. You can also give chili or chilies. Okay, then add. Now give the product image. So click on product image, then select upload files, then click on select files. Here you can upload more than one image at a time. Now select images by pressing Ctrl. Now click on open. Here you can observe that 3 images are uploading. Now I am selecting this image and add alternate text. I am giving alternate text as a green chili. Then click on set product image. And scroll down, here you can observe product gallery. Now click on add product gallery images. Now select these 3 images. Okay, then click on add to gallery. Now publish your product. Click on publish. Now our product is published. If you want to see the product, click on preview changes. It will take us to new page. Okay, this is the page. Okay, like this you can add your products to your website. Okay, if you go back to King Store products, here you can observe our products. So this is the product. Okay, in our next tutorial, we will add attributes and size of the product. For example, this is blue color shoe. With the same dimensions, we have black color shoe. Here you can select by changing the color. Here you can select the different colors and the different sizes of your product.